Yeah, yo BK, watch chicks and shit about that gangsta shit, man. These niggas that wanna be gangsters.
What up guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just sitting here in my garage, taking a little break on this beautiful Friday afternoon before we have to start wrenching on the Z. So if you guys seen my last video, you already know that we got a new set of wheels for this thing, and funny thing is they're coming right back off right now, and the old crusty dusty RPF ones are going on the car. So we're doing another track day tomorrow, and I figured it'd be a fun video to do like a cost breakdown of a single track day. I don't know why I'm trying to persuade people to get into drifting. Everyone knows drifting is a very expensive hobby, but honestly, it's so much fun, and it may not be as expensive as some people may think. So we're gonna go over all the expenses that go into a single track day, excluding the car. Maybe we'll do a price breakdown of the car some other time, but yeah, we'll go over tires, fuel, the entry fees, pretty much everything. Yeah, I'm super excited. Should be a good day tomorrow. Some of the homies are gonna be coming out. But for now, I just gotta install my diff brace and then also the fire extinguisher, because those are now required at the track. Anyways, let's get this car in the garage, start wrenching on it. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. This was not planned. We just ran into each other. All right, so first things first, we gotta fuel up. I'm pretty much empty, so this expense will be for a full tank of gas, and we'll start there.
Miss it. I've been fiending for some tandems, bro. Like solo driving is one thing.
So I heard you're selling your Miata. We'll see about that after today. We'll see about that. I'm gonna door your Miata, and you ain't gonna sell it.
Listen, hey.
All right, so we finally made it. Everyone's out here just prepping their cars. It's gonna be a good day. The vibes are real good right now. Artem made it out to his first.
Yeah, finally.
Is this your first like drift event? Like first time. So if anyone, I don't know who's still on the channel remembers Artem's M3. But we're not gonna talk about that because everyone's gonna start asking about part 2 again. So his M3 still looks the same, later. But I think you're gonna get your first ride along today, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
Like you haven't been on track in a car.
Never.
All right, I'm excited. I'm excited to.
Street drifting once.
David, how are you feeling, bro?
Bro, I'm ready.
Vibes are flowing, huh?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's nice out here, dude.
Not overheat my car.
Not
overheat my power steering.
Hey, 2 laps, cool off.
Yeah.
2 laps, cool off. That's it.
Overheat nothing.
Exactly. Eddie's not here. We don't have Eddie's trailer today.
Exactly. Where's Eddie when we need him? Well, knock on wood.
So we all have to drive safe today.
I brought a tow strap.
So Eddie,
all right, we're good.
Eddie couldn't make it out today, so his trailer's not here. So we're gonna have to play it a little safe. But worst case, Alec did bring a tow strap, and we can flat tow with the Yukon. But hopefully we don't have to do that. All right, let's go drive.
Let's go drive, bro. Let's go.
How are the first laps?
Dude, I love it.
Yeah? Does the car feel different?
Dude, it's not the same car, bro.
Nice. So last event we were out here, Alec blew his engine, put a fresh VQ in it. That old engine was super tired and super underpowered, so we're gonna have a lot more fun today. Also, I changed my mind about the wheels, so I ended up bringing these with me. I'm just gonna go out and do a few laps, try to get a few shots with these wheels, and then we'll throw the RPF ones back on because I don't want these to get super beat up at this track, but we'll see how they are after a few laps. All right, we're going out for our first run. Artem's about to experience drifting on track for the first time.
Are you gonna drift or are you just gonna drive around?
I'm trying to save my tires. I'm gonna do the entry.
That's it.
I just blow second? My second's not working.
I thought it popped out.
Something's wrong.
Wait, no second?
It's popping out of second.
Nope.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
it's the axle.
Damn, bro, this is my first. I didn't even do anything. I was just cruising around and like first clutch kick, boom, pops out.
Yeah, that's solid.
Don't buy AutoZone axles. Freaking trash.
Well, you're about to put one back in.
I have OEM ones at home that I didn't bring. L. Track days off to an L. Artem's
No,
first
it's
ride along
not,
was
bro.
sick, bro. This is Artem's first ride along.
Yeah.
All right, we'll swap it out real quick.
Well, I was doing nice reverse, like back.
You want us to?
Where's it snap? All right, well, first lap out didn't go as planned. Broke my first axle. Alec came in super clutch. He brought a spare set. So hopefully he doesn't break his axle because we're already down one. We'll go out now, give Artem his first ride along. Yeah, let's hope this one goes smooth.
Yeah, don't break anything.
These two cars trip me out. They're like, I can't tell them apart.
We're always here together.
Yeah, seriously, like the best wheels ever.
Thanks,
I
dude.
never see them. That's so cool.
Yeah, thank you. How was your first ride?
Good.
That was pretty weak. It was pretty weak sauce. I'm on my 57 CRs with super old tires, so I had zero grip. So I don't know. It'll feel different once we like get a little further into the day.
Again?
Yeah, of course, bro. We're here for a while. Once we put the other wheels on with some better grip, we'll get some better tandems in with the boys. Are you going drifting too? Good vibes. Yep. So I got a little too excited with these wheels and ended up blowing one of them out. The second one's about to blow, but check this out. This thing literally looks like a tire for my R6.
I think if you do like a burnout with these,
Yeah?
these will be nice.
Okay.
It's like, bah!
Yeah, you don't own the wheels anymore.
Yeah,
They're real nice.
And keep it on the, keep it doing the burnout on the rim.
Polish the wheels up?
Yeah.
Black wheels suck. We gotta polish them up. Anyways, the car looks pretty nice now. Looks like a real drift car. That doesn't know what it's doing. This is not anything to be proud of. This is a shame. It means you're a dummy and you don't know when to stop. I'm pretty sure all of this will come off. We'll just get some WD-40. Worst case, I have a bunch of extra wraps, so I'll just rewrap my quarter or whatever.
Rewrap the quarter.
Yeah. I'm not too worried about it.
Whatever.
Yeah. It's not the best day for the Z, but we're still having a good time. The vibes are great out here. Weather is a little too hot, but overall, solid day though. Now we're gonna go drive for 40 minutes straight.
As long as niggas is feeling it, nigga like nigga hustling.
I've never seen my temp gauge up so high. Damn. All right, so today didn't really go as planned. Didn't really go through any tires, but as far as expenses for a track day, entry fees can range anywhere from like $60 to $100. It's $80 here plus a passenger's $15, so about $100 to get in. Hey, yo, chill. 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 Anyway. Tires can range anywhere from $50 to $100. Tires can range anywhere from $50 to $150 each. I pay about $120 a tire, so about $240 for an event, and it depends how much you drive. So you can either spend $240 or about $500 for an event. I try to be a little conservative, so $240 for tires. Entry's 100, fuel's about 70. That's pretty much it. And then all the little things that can go wrong with your car, like axles. But overall, a weekend can probably cost you around, I don't know, I'd say like $500. Yeah, I would say a weekend can cost you anywhere from like $400 to $500, which is not too bad. But yeah, it is a money pit. Artem, are you gonna get into drifting or no?
Nope.
No?
That's his money pit.
Well, once she goes out of these, I might be able to afford it.
Hey, that's gonna be me soon, so I'm just trying to enjoy this as much as I can before that becomes my money pit. So unfortunately, today was my trouble day. We didn't get to drive. I said I was gonna put it on your doors.
It costed a lot more.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
I just wanted you to. Let's try it out. Okay, next time. Maybe one day. I go nowhere.
I'm just here to steal content.
Yo, come on now. We're gonna get these.
I know,
Yeah, what's
bro.
up, bro? I
I
need that. I need that. I'm late.
Everyone needs
need to start making videos too. Hey, look, we're off to a start. Right?
Off to a good start.
This $5 purchase just may be the thing that changes my life.
Alright, so here's what the quarter panel looks like after the track day. I cleaned it up as best as I could, but all of this here is just damaged and I'm just gonna have to rewrap the quarter panel. But the good news is everything on the side skirt pretty much came out. There's just a few little blemishes that I'll use some touch-up paint on. The only thing I'm worried about is the new wrap not matching the rest of the car, since the wrap has been on the car for about a year now. It's probably a little sun faded, and I'm just hoping the new wrap blends in with the rest of the car. But for now, let's remove this thing and see what the new wrap looks like.